Ivan. Today you are joining with Ceylon Cuisine with Sandu. Today I'm going to do my cooking class for a new friend from Argentina. He's Roberto. Hi.
Hola, ¿cómo están?
So today we are going to cook a meal, Sri Lankan traditional meal. We are going to cook rice, then the lentils curry, or else we call it dal curry, then chicken curry, and fried some papadam, also beans curry, and also the most special Sri Lankan sambal, Sri Lankan coconut sambal. And also, to taste our meal, we are going to cook tempered potato. So let's start our lesson.
No chili, please. Eh?
Yes, not spicy. Very,
Very little.
very little spicy. Okay. No, we are going to make chicken curry, Sri Lankan chicken curry, but not spicy. Okay. Okay. First, I will add some garam masala, a bit, very bit. Is this enough?
I don't like chili.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. And then meat curry powder. Also too much?
Yeah. Okay, ya va.
And then pepper. And also some turmeric powder. Some oregano. Chili powder.
Pinch.
This enough?
Do it.
Okay. And we can
Salt? You want to put salt?
yeah, salt.
You put less salt than chili. That's good.
Okay.
Golden brown.
Golden brown.
Famous golden brown.
So now we are preparing tempered potatoes with my new pen, Mr.Roberto. Fine. So what do you do for a living? Can you tell something about yourself?
For living, try to live my best life. This is what I do. And unfortunately, I need to work to live life. So I'm working right now in Qatar.
Qatar?
Yeah, in Qatar, in Doha, I'm a civil engineer.
Civil engineer.
So
Wow, nice.
Since 2013, I'm working there.
Since 2013, you are working in Qatar?
Yeah, 12 years
Okay.
now. Yeah. So since I'm working there, I started traveling in this area. Many years ago, I fell in love with
Sri
Sri Lanka.
Lanka. Yeah, amazing country. So you like Sri Lankan foods?
Well, I need to learn about Sri Lankan food. You know, one of my problems is chili. I don't like too much chili. Ayuboban. Now we will go for the whole sambal. We will receive instruction from the teacher.
Okay, we are going to make Sri Lankan coconut sambal. So we need our ingredients: refrigerated coconuts, then we need red chili powder and pepper, salt to taste, then garlic, green chilies, red onions. So that's what we need. Now let's make it. Yeah.
I will be the key.
First we have to put some. So we are going to grind the coconut sambal from our grinding stone. First we have to put some garlic, then onions, some salt.
Pinch of salt.
We can grind. You like to fry?
Yeah. Not easy, yeah?
It's easy with the mortar, more than this hot ancient mothers, they use grinding stone.
I see the grinder.
It's very.
You can buy the electric grinder.
Electric grinder in Qatar.
Yeah, it's stone. A stone that is.
Yeah.
No, but it's electric.
Electric.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, really?
You do all the-
It's very tasty when we make for sambal from grinding stone, more than the mortar.
But I can feel the flavors of the spice and the coconut. The samba mixed with the rice is very good. Chicken. With lemon. The sambal is amazing. Mixed with the rice. It's really strong, the flavor of the sambal, of the garlic. But I was afraid because we use a lot of garlic.
Yes.
Maybe we use too heavy garlic.
Yeah, I like to.
Too.
So here's all the curries we cooked today. We cooked rice, coconut sambal, beans curry, then we fried papadam, Then we cook chicken curry and also tempered potatoes. Then lentils curry, or else we call dal curry. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. This is Sri Lanka's first traditional cuisine in English, Ceylon cuisine with Sandu.
Si vienen a una Huatuna, tienen que venir a cocinar a casa de Sandu. Delicioso. Ceylon Cuisine with Sandu.